So in the era of excessive information, where all Telegram channels, YouTube channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so there are like unlimited number of people who are mentoring, guiding, unlimited content. Now artificial intelligence is able to generate. If somebody wants to study geography, a complex concept, so it can simplify also. So even despite all this excess information, excess resources, I think it has created a problem of plenty, where student wants to know where to exactly focus, because they get confused with respect to what to follow, what not to follow. This problem of plenty has become so much evident. Even the brilliant students who used to do well in their college and school days, they are failing in this examination because they are not able to discern, like differentiate what is good and what is bad, what needs to be focused on. And so our relevance as part of, because we keep interacting with hundreds of students, thousands of, in fact, we know what actually works, what doesn't work, which source works, which source doesn't work. And also sources keep changing, they also keep updating. So we are updated with respect to that. So if they come and approach us, talk to us, they will know the precise path which to follow, and I think that makes their job easy and saves lots of time and energy for them.